Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about this guy up there. It's going to be WH-CH510 and this is a brand new headphones from Sony. Yeah, but now we have this guy out in our channel video. So this video we're going to look after this guy and how it performs. This is the most affordable headphones from Sony. I don't know how good it's going to be there, but I use it a little bit and also unboxed it and we kept using it for about 2 to 3 hours. And my first impressions you're going to see in this video, and you may saw that intro. Okay, so that's it all about it. Let's get started. Straight away, let's unbox this up. Sony WH-CH510, it says right over here, and some specs are given right over here, and then that the pricing has been mentioned over here. That's it. It's a clean box. Straight away, let's unbox it. Right. Let's unbox it, and there we go. Got it. Okay, it's pretty good and good packing. That's cool. This little box we got out of here, and some booklets, user guide, and this is the USB cable, USB cable to Type C we are getting in the box itself, and these are the pair of headphones what we are gonna get, and nothing else in this box. Okay. Now, okay, this is a user manual, so no one used to read it up, so let's concentrate on this. Pretty good. It comes with a little nice packaging right over here, plasticky packaging, and yeah, it's first time unboxing a product in our channel. Okay. Okay, there are little self-care cups I could feel, and a hard plastic, and my first impressions up there. There's a hard plastic right over here, and there is no cushioning right in here, so that's kind of a drawback again. This was my first impression on these headphones. Okay, everywhere is a hard plastic meant to be there, and some of the controls are given right over here, and nothing other than that. Let's get into the review straight away. Right. So first up we are going to talk about the battery life. Battery life is all about 35 hours they meant for, but I have kept using it with the 100% battery life. I couldn't just decrease its use till now. And so it's a great battery life, a better battery life. Wait for my review till the end, till like next week or onwards, and I'll try to post videos as soon as possible. Okay, and wait for the review to get all the things up in a little bit. And till now I'm just here going to be using around 2 to 3 hours. My personal impression is going to be what you're seeing in this video. And straight away, how about this quality of the thing? Yeah, they use the quality, right? I would say this is the one thing that I don't like about this headphones, is that one thing. And I do have someone guy, and this guy, you may saw him our before video, right? And if you not saw, do check out our channel. It's in our review section. Do check out that video. And this guy is the best comfortable headphones I said in the video, right? But this guy, it isn't. Yeah, it doesn't have some matting over here, like some matting they have to give, right? we get the matching microphone here. So it's very comfortable telling this guy, because I know the pricing is different, but the truth is that that thing I don't like at all. That with the strong plasticky sound, there's a premium feel I get from here, and the plastic they used to looks more premium than this. I don't know what you're feeling on it. Yeah, you guys are going to pay $60 to get this one, and it's also okay. So yeah, your choice is that, and quality is worse, and also these are it's going to be over your heads, and this is just sitting over your ears, and this is going to be a little bit more over your ears, like it's going to be covering your ears up when you talk about this CH510N, and whereas this CH510N is going to be just like sitting in right there, like this, not better quality. The time when I put this headphones on, I could better like not get the some of the ads has been blocked, and I'm feeling like I'm just talking to myself. I get a feeling of that, and that's about the quality of this headphones. What about the sound quality of this headphones? Sony is meant for it, I would say. It's the best headphones. Again, the quality is great. Again, not compared to this headphones, because they got a lot of payments for this headphones, because it's going to cost you around 15,000. This is just for 5,000, so triple the amount you're going to pay for this headphones. So the quality is great, I would say. Get with me, right? This quality is great, but Sony claims that they use a 30mm driver unit they have used in this headphones, and it sounds great. The bass is clear, bass is great, and again the clarity of the audios. Watching any entertainment, Netflix, Prime Video, anything like that, you get a great voice clarity too in this headphones. So great for sound, but also for the comfortability. Again, there's any extra features up there? No, not really. Actually, I gone for the specifications of this headphones in the official Sony page. Then they said using Bluetooth as a main feature in this headphones. For 5,000 rupees without a Bluetooth, what is the headphones, man? I don't know what they're showing with the specifications in their official page, but yeah, there is no extra features. Like this guy has like NFC, and it's an entry point to the NFC, right? This guy is like don't have any other extra features. If you talk about the buttons, what they've given, the buttons are stinky. The quality is worse. Okay, I want to mention that too. Okay, those buttons are they given us power up, down, and they have meant for that multi-functional buttons they have given, and a cool feature is that they have given a Type-C port in here, and two, you guys may saw that unboxing video of mine, and in that I've shown that Type-C cable also they are including in the box, which is a great feature, but doesn't has an aux cable, so that you can't use it as a wired essence. So you have to putting the charger in your box every time so that you can use it without any lag. Otherwise, you have to. In this kind of headphones, you can use an aux cable just to ear through your phone without taking up more juice out of it. So that's what there's a lacking of. And again, you got a Bluetooth indicator which it turns into red when the battery life is gone, and blue when you're going to pair up, and that's it. And a mic they have given for hands-free calling and voice assistance. That's it all about this Sony's WH-CH510. It's a weird name. Okay, and this is all about my impressions about this headphones. I know it's a small video up there. Okay, thanks for being till now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll try to post videos soon as possible. And thanks for coming for till then on. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. And goodbye.